Welcome to the Aligned Living, the podcast where we explore how to. Welcome to the Aligned Living, the podcast where we explore how to live with clarity, peace, inner harmony, and determine your purpose of your life. I'm your host, Sneha Sangani, and every episode here is designed to inspire you to dive in deep about your inner purpose and reality. Today, I'm beyond excited because our guest is someone who embodies the very essence of aligned living. She is a homemaker, but now homemaker turned into a coach. She's balancing this beautifully. She's none other than she's none other than Mrs. Savita Ganesh. But sorry, she is Coach Savita Ganesh. And she is a woman transformer, a motivator, and on a journey to transform life of 100,000 women globally. And she has 3+ years of experience into healing, wellness, especially transforming women. So I welcome Savita ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sneha, for this warm welcome. I'm deeply humbled to be in this podcast.
Pleasure is all mine, ma'am. So my first question goes to you, like you look very young. So what's the secret behind your youth, and what made you, take this journey into a coach, like oh, homemaker turned into a coach? What were the challenges you faced? Like, what were the adversities of life that transformed you to this journey, ma'am? Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sneha. To tell you about myself, about my age. So, age is just a number.
Oh
So,
wow.
so usually we women we like to hide our age, but
Correct.
I am a woman who proudly says that I am 50 plus.
Oh,
I am.
you look only early 40s, ma'am. Like I was confused, but thank you so much. Like it is an inspiration that age is just a number. Like after 50, women say like ab ho gaya, like it's enough. Like now I'm tired, and but you are so youthful and you are so energetic. Like what's the secret about your energy? I would like to know. Like I'm excited.
Yeah, the secret lies in your inside,
Oh
because
wow.
when you are beautiful inside,
Hmm.
you become beautiful outside. For many years, I was thinking that beauty is always outside. I
Hmm.
used to try to always groom myself. I used to put up a face in front of everyone,
Hmm.
saying that I'm the most beautiful. I used to look at the mirror and just admire my outer beauty. I
Hmm.
used to like to dress up,
Hmm.
and I was part of many groups where women they display their beauty by
Hmm.
wearing good drapes and good
Hmm.
fashion. I was very much into fashion,
Hmm.
and I was part of many groups.
Hmm. Hmm.
And when I was a part of many groups, as and when time passed, I feel that I am putting up a show in front of everyone, whereas I'm not that beautiful and happy inside. What is missing in me that it is not showing outside? Because every time when I go for a party or anything, all women will be smiling and they will be happy all the time, no matter what. Whereas I will be like, why are they so smiling so much? What is there missing in me that
Sorry
is.
to interrupt you, ma'am. I'm very curious to know what made you to come to this realization that you could differentiate between the two. That like you like to dress up and everything, but still something is missing. Like because I think this is many women must be facing these problems or these challenges. So like how what is that realization point, and what message you would like to give women who are listening to us?
Yeah. So we women, we have been conditioned from our childhood that a good woman should take care of the family, should take care of their kids, should respect their elders and do sacrifices for the family. My mother was no less. She was also a very devoted lady where she did everything for the family. But her health was, in spite of her health, she slogged day and night to cater to everyone. And unfortunately, I lost her around 5 years back.
Sorry.
So she was having tremendous health issues, in
Hmm.
spite of which she was working for the family day and night as a single parent, because my father expired after I got married. That is around 25 years ago.
Hmm.
But like I say, both of them have come to my life for a purpose,
Hmm.
because my father always valued discipline, and he always made me to lead a very disciplined life. So,
Hmm.
and I was living a life, I was always embodying a life that it should be perfect. Only if I do like the achieve, earn this much money or
Hmm.
achieve this much this lifestyle, I'll be happy. I'll be given respect
Hmm.
also.
Hmm.
So I was just chasing that. I was
Hmm.
chasing money. I was pleasing. Basically, I was people pleasing everyone.
Oh.
I was people pleasing everyone, saying that, yeah, I should respect elders. Whatever they say, I will not question that. I will
So,
just say,
ma'am, people pleasing, as you put out a very beautiful word, like this is a, I think, issue not just with women, but everyone for that matter, that like, people pleasing has become like a common practice these days. So,
yeah.
what, like, people pleasing, how this can be avoided, and what are the be- beliefs which we carry because of which we become people pleasers? Because I think this is all about your belief system. Like
Yeah.
we come from a same community, so we understand that that self importance and self love is equally important if you want to face people, and if you want to achieve success. It's all about balance. So, like, ma'am, how our viewers can overcome this habit of people pleasing?
Yeah, people pleasing. Why do people resort to people pleasing? Because the basic human nature is love. We want to get love. We
Okay.
want to be loved by
Hmm.
everyone. Like
Hmm.
people should appreciate us. So,
Hmm.
and more or less in this social media age, everybody wants to put up a good image of themselves, that they are so well off, they are partying, they are anything. Whereas inside there will be many
Okay.
grievances. There'll be many, what you call, yeah, resentments, guilt and resentments inside,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
but that they won't show outside, that they will keep deeply buried inside, and
Oh,
that will result in various health issues.
oh, okay. So
So
everything
to
is a
tell you
vicious
to
circle.
tell you my case,
Huh,
like for the past 50 years, I've been people pleasing and supporting my family, supporting my husband, taking care of my kids, everything, and living a proper, like a normal life. Then
okay.
when I turned 50, even though I was well settled in life, I had all the luxuries in life. A question came into my mind: what is the purpose of my life?
That's so deep, ma'am. Because I
What is
think
the purpose of my life?
everyone has
Because
this
I
question.
have everything a girl could dream of: a
Huh,
loving husband,
huh,
an adoring teenage boy,
huh,
a beautiful house
huh.
in the most posh locality in Hyderabad.
Oh.
And I had a car, a driver, made everything I could ask for.
Hmm.
Then why am I, what is missing inside me?
Oh.
So the when I joined my self development community, and I was in the mentorship of my coach Ritu,
Hmm.
I put all the pieces of the puzzles together, and I came to know why I had suffered, why I had faced many things in life, and what is my purpose of my life now.
Oh my, means it's, I think, a purpose question, like you beautifully portrayed, like how you discovered your purpose. I think everyone has this question hidden inside us, but like they with some problems, with some commitments and job and responsibilities, it is subsided inside. And when, as you said, like you had every luxury you could imagine for, but still something was missing inside. Like how a person can discover the purpose, and also you are a mentor to other women, how you are helping them to discover their purpose, or help them transform their lives through your inspiring your journey, and you be an inspiration to them. So, ma'am, I would like to know about that.
Yeah. So basically, it all starts with self love.
Hmm.
So basically, we have to love ourselves. I mean, like we used to blowing our own trumpet ourselves
Hmm.
used to be considered as a big taboo. Like,
Hmm.
how can one blow oneself? It's not selfish. It is self love. Because only when you pour out of a full cup, then only you can. If your cup if your cup of love is not full, you
Hmm.
cannot pour it to others. So that is
Wow.
the train.
Like
So,
it's a mind-blowing statement you put for like fill in your cup, then
so
only you
only
can
if you
pour
fill
into
your
other
cup
cup
can
as
you
well.
help others.
Yes,
So
yes,
otherwise
yes.
that leakage will happen in the cup.
Correct, correct,
Even though
correct.
your intention is to serve people, but still
Yeah.
if that leakage is there, it won't serve the
What
purpose.
is the reason for the leakage? Like, you can, elaborate upon this. Like you said, like you self-love, we should practice self-love. Of course,
Yeah,
like you very well, beautifully explained that. You
yeah.
said that, like leakage can happen. Can you, highlight upon this, ma'am?
See, we
Leakage.
have been brought up in a certain way that the childhood conditioning is there, that
Hmm.
guilt, that if you do something, the guilt, resentments keep on piling up. So
Hmm.
when you go deep inside your soul, because it's a soul journey, you
Oh.
have come, so we are all souls, we are all
Huh.
one. So
Huh.
this universe is one. So this universe is because of the thoughts, beliefs, and feelings of all people. The universe is working as a unit. The whole universe is a unit. We are all, so if something is happening to me, it is not like, if I'm facing some opposition from someone, then something is wrong in me.
So
So the
you
world is a
basically
mirror.
want to
So the
say that
world is a mirror to our feelings.
so
So if
basically you
you
want to
think you,
portray the energy work. We have to, focus on our energy. Like
yeah, focus
basically if
on
our
energy.
frequency is going down, like we are low on the energy, that's what we are attracting. And if we
Yeah,
are self-love is full, that's where when our cup is full, we can pour into other person's grab. And that energy you are radiating, what you radiate, that's what you receive.
that's
Like
right.
beautifully explained, ma'am. Like you said that some mentor came into your life
Like,
and
I
you
will
were
tell you an example if you want.
yes ma'am, yes
Like
ma'am,
when I
please.
was in a group of saris speak this, so
Hmm.
I always used to be conscious about my appearance and
Hmm.
my teeth. My
Hmm.
teeth have some issues. So
Okay.
people, so I used to be always conscious, and I used to tell also to everyone, no, I don't feel confident. So
Hmm.
recently, when I went for the same occasion, and when people start, still I haven't done anything for my teeth, but
Hmm.
still they care, they reminded me of that incident.
Hmm.
I said, okay, I accept myself just the way I am.
Oh wow, the acceptance is really
I
like the
accept, because first you have to accept,
hmm.
and then you can make the change. If you don't accept it, you can't make any changes. So yes, thank you for your feedback. I accept. I accept
Okay,
what you
okay.
have told, and they were looking at my inner outer glow. They said, "You look totally different. What has transformed? What have you been doing? How has it happened?"
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how people can be that feedback takers, because I have seen many people like around 80-90% of people, they don't like feedbacks. Because see, I believe that feedback is for our self improvement, our self growth. How a person can be comfortable to take the feedbacks from other people? Like you said, you were very conscious about your appearance and you were not ready for that feedback, and you used to tell about your teeth, and now your response changed, and because the response changed you were okay about it because you are ready to take the feedback. How to create that mindset where the people are easily able to take these feedbacks?
Yeah. So
Hmm.
good question.
Yeah.
So one portion of self-love also consists of daily writing what are I am statements, and
Okay.
I love myself for. So
Hmm.
if you keep on writing those statements, I am so and so, I am beautiful, I am happy, I am honest, I am contented, I am an action taker, I am happy, I am rich, and you keep on writing that, and I love myself for.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
so the
Can you
outer,
give some examples like I love myself, or like how you used to write all of that, so that and a person who is watching this, they can also take this into practice, because I think hardly it takes 5 minutes to write it down,
yeah, yeah.
but if you take it
So
as a daily practice,
yeah,
it's a big transformation throughout your life.
yeah.
So yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's, tell you more about myself. I am part of Ritu Agarwal's Energy Queens Hub,
Hmm.
and there we live a life. The Ritu Agarwal coaches us to live a life of as women to live a life of freedom, growth, and harmony.
Hmm.
So what does freedom mean?
Hmm.
Freedom means you set rules for yourself. Freedom does not mean you can wake up anytime you want in the
Hmm.
morning or 10
Hmm.
or 11.
Hmm.
But you set rules for yourself. I will wake up at 5:30 in the morning.
Hmm.
I will do my yoga. I will do my exercise.
Hmm.
I will drink 2 to 3 liters of water.
Hmm.
If you set rules for yourself,
Hmm.
that is the freedom for you. You don't need
Hmm.
to, and you don't need to bother about your health because automatically you are taken care of. So that
Correct.
is freedom.
Hmm.
So like going in a road, if a car goes, so if there are no traffic signals, the traffic will go haywire. So it is important to have rules for yourself, and that will give you freedom and harmony. Harmony is whatever you feel inside that you can express outside.
Wow.
So luckily for me, I don't know it is in my genes or so. I always express myself plainly. I don't hide. Whatever, if I don't like a person, I will tell her on the face that this is. I don't know
But
whether it is
ma'am,
a good.
don't you think it becomes an offensive nature at times? Like, of course, like being transparent is it's an art because I don't think everyone has it. But like how without offending the other person and create that balance with that sweet relationship, that sweet friendship, how this nature can be helpful.
Yeah.
Because like you've been an experienced coach, you can guide people in a better way.
Yes, sure. I can tell in the closest relationships also. Suppose I have an argument with my husband or
Hmm.
I have an argument with my son.
Hmm.
I will say I didn't like the way you did that, but I love you.
Hmm. Oh, wow.
So even for other people also, I love you.
Huh.
I love everyone,
Hmm.
irrespective of who they are, what strata they are, what
Hmm.
color, what gender, what financial this. I love everyone. So if somebody has hurt me, I will say I didn't like the way you this, but I
Hmm.
love you
Oh,
just the way you are.
wow. How you became a coach? Like, what made you to be a coach? Like your vision. I see. Like you have a vision. You have a mission
Yeah,
to
it is
transform
all thanks to my coach,
mentor.
mentor Ritu Agarwal.
Uh,
Like I have been part of many self-development communities like Art of Living and Isha Yoga and all. But I
hmm.
used to do the practices very diligently,
Hmm.
but never had a connection. So it's like it's they say no, when the student is ready, the teacher
Teacher
appears.
appears.
So
Yes.
I was in that frame of mind, and the webinar came. I just quickly latched on to her, and
Hmm.
I'm just following her practices. I'm getting
So
magical
do
wins
you
daily.
believe, do you believe that everyone should have a mentor? And like you are also a mentor to many women, and like you
Yeah,
said, you have a vision to transform 100,000 of women globally.
yeah,
So like what the qualities you portray in yourself from your mentor?
yeah,
Like you would be also, you embody those qualities, and you will be mentoring other women, or you are already mentoring them.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
what is the role of a coach in everyone's life, and why you need a coach? Like you said, there are many personal development, institutes, organizations, and there are many coaches apart from the one you mentioned. Like how, like what uh, why a coach is needed, and what is a USP of a coach, like you resonate with, and how people can be more connected to it, and what are the benefits of having a coach and all of that, so that people can choose wisely, and whenever they are availing any services, they can keep these things in mind, because it's all about a personal transformation, a personal journey, because you want to be the better version of yourself. So you can highlight upon this, ma'am.
yeah. So to tell you, like there are many coaches available online. There are many what you call books available for self-development, but you don't have the accountability factor
Oh,
in that.
okay, okay.
So when you are going for a coach, the first thing is it's in our community we learn that you attract anyone because of your frequency, energy
Hmm.
frequency.
Yes, yes,
So
ma'am.
energy frequency, authenticity is the highest frequency.
Oh, wow.
So, what attracted to me to my mentor Ritu was she was very authentic.
Hmm.
I liked her authenticity, and that attracted me towards her.
Hmm.
And I also wish to embody that authenticity and would like to have a world which is authentic and they are true to their soul.
This is very deep because it's a single word, authenticity, but it's like you are deeply rooted from who you born. Like you do
Yeah,
deeply rooted to the mother earth because
yeah,
we are all born from that. But
yeah,
you, if you miss out on your roots, that's like your shoots and your leaves are of no value if you like
yeah.
don't value that authenticity. Apart from authenticity, like you said, that accountability is there. Like, what is one thing it's your USP that has helped other women to, on their transformational journey?
Because I have been consistently vocal about my wins, whether it is small win or big wins. And
Right.
in my community, one more thing I liked is my coach always says that you have to look for wins in every situation, even
Wow.
if that situation is not favorable to you. That situation has made me what that will I will become what I want if I
Wow.
face that situation.
Wow.
So I have seen in my life also. I have come this far in life after a lot of hardships, lot of this I
Hmm.
have come. So
Hmm.
I feel that they were all the stepping ladder to my success. No.
Wow.
So
Can you
I
define
faced all this.
success in a simple word? Like people run after money that they are, this is my success. Like I'm, a crorepati or a billionaire, or that is their success model. Like
Success
what?
is success simply put is living a life that you want to live. That's
Oh,
it.
wow. Wow.
You, because I believe you create your life.
Oh,
Whatever life you are leading right now is
huh.
because of your past experiences.
Yes.
So, what I will say is live in the present, live in your present fully, experience the beauty of nature. You are blessed to be born as a human being. You are blessed
Such
to be
an
born as
eye
a human
opener,
being.
ma'am. I can't stop talking to you, but like we have to wrap up a session. So
Yeah.
we'll wrap up with some, some insights which people can take from our conversation. So, what tips you would like to give to women or any other person who is watching us, that how they can be successful in their daily life? Like you said, already said, like be in the present moment. Any short tip or practice you can, tell them so that they can practice and become the best version of themselves. One of them you gave it to, the journaling one, like I
Yeah.
love myself because like I am statements. So
Yeah.
anything else apart from that, like
Yeah.
any 2 minute 5 minute practice?
Yeah, so I would like to say this: homemakers, they will always have this question in their life: How can I leave my family and have my own career?
Hmm.
So I feel that homemakers are themselves multitaskers. They, because nobody can replace them,
Correct.
and they have that power already within them.
Wow.
They, they have that power already within them.
Hmm.
So what they can do is they can first they have to find out what is their passion, what are they passionate about.
Hmm.
So passion comes with indulgence. You have to indulge. You can't say, suppose one woman loves to sing, or
Hmm.
the other one loves to dance.
Hmm.
She will sing, she will dance, but maybe she will that passion is no longer within her. But
Ah,
then she has to keep on
okay.
exploring one after the other, because only if
Engagement.
you, because engagement, only if
Hmm.
you engage in your passion
Hmm.
will you get the outcome. Like you will
Wow.
know where your heart and soul is.
It was wonderful talking to you, ma'am. I've gained so many insights from you. Like first of all, your wonderful smile. Like age is just a number. There are many bulb-on moments for me, and I'm sure our
Yeah, to
viewers
tell
are
you,
also.
Trivia, I never used to smile like this. So all thanks to my coach Ritu, and I'm
Oh,
deeply
so
grateful
glad
to
to
my
have.
mentor
Like
and my
I'm
universe.
honored.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm honored to be a part of your community, and we doing these things together. Thank you so much for giving me this honor. Okay, we'll end here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.